Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Along English, a podcast for easy English speaking, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Nia.
And I'm Alex. Hey, Mia, how are you today?
I'm doing great, but actually, I'm a little hungry. I'm thinking about what to eat for lunch later.
Oh, me too. I was thinking about going to a restaurant after we finish recording.
That's perfect, because today's topic is all about English at the restaurant.
Yes, this is so useful. Everyone listening, today you will learn how to order food, talk to waiters, and feel confident at restaurants speaking in English.
Exactly. And before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, please. It really helps us create more lessons for you. And if you want to practice your English, write a comment and tell us, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Great question. I love pasta. What about you, Alex?
I love pizza. It's simple and delicious.
There, my mouth is already watering. Wow. Okay, getting back to our topic, let's now learn some easy English for restaurants together.
Let's do it. So, Alex, going to a restaurant can expose new learners to a lot of new English words and phrases, right?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Sometimes you don't know what to say, which phrases to use, so you may get nervous and make mistakes.
But don't worry, today we'll practice together, and by the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident.
That's right. And remember, every chance to practice English helps us learn.
Exactly. Okay, let's start with the first step. What happens when you first enter a restaurant?
Well, usually someone greets you at the door.
Right, let's practice this. I'll be the host at the restaurant, and Alex, you're the customer. Ready?
Ready.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
Good evening. Just one, please. Or you can say, table for one, please.
Perfect. And if you're with friends or family?
You can say, table for two, please. Or table for three, please.
Excellent. What if you have a reservation? You called before and booked a table.
Oh, that's a great question. You can say, I have a reservation. My name is Alex.
Yes, or you can say, I booked a table for two. The name is Alex.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, so two phrases. Repeat after me. Table for two, please.
Good. Now try, I have a reservation.
Excellent. Okay, Mia, what happens next?
Well, the host will take you to your table. They might say, follow me, please, or right this way.
And you can simply say, thank you.
Exactly. Now, this is tip number 1, everyone. When you enter a restaurant, you need to know 3 simple phrases.
Table for two, please. Just change the number.
Number 2, I have a reservation.
And number 3, thank you.
Always be polite and friendly.
I love that. Being polite makes everything easier, right?
Absolutely. Okay, now you're sitting at your table. What happens next?
The waiter or waitress comes to your table.
Right. Let's practice this part. Alex, you be the waiter this time, and I'll be the customer.
Okay, hello. Welcome. Here is your menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Wow, that was perfect. So, everyone, the waiter will give you a menu. A menu is the list of all the food and drinks.
Yes. And the waiter will ask, can I get you something to drink?
Or,
What would you like to drink?
let's practice some answers. If you want water, you say, water, please. Or, can I have some water, please?
And if you want something else, like juice or soda?
You can say, orange juice, please. Or, I'd like a Coke, please.
What's the difference between I'd like and I want?
Great question. I'd like is more polite. It sounds softer and friendlier.
Oh, I see. So I'd like a Coke is better than I want a Coke.
Exactly. You can use I want, but I'd like sounds more polite in restaurants.
Got it. Okay, everyone, this is tip number 2. When ordering drinks, you can use these phrases.
Yes, say water, please. Or can I have some water, please? Or I'd like orange juice, please.
Perfect. And always say please. It's very important.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about reading the menu. This can be difficult sometimes, right, Alex?
Oh, yes. Sometimes the menu has words we don't know.
That's okay. You can ask the waiter for help. You can say, "What do you recommend?" That's a great phrase. What do you recommend means, what's good here? Or what should I order? Exactly. Or you can ask, "What's this?" and point to something on the menu.
Oh, I use that all the time. What's this? Is so useful.
Yes, and if you want to know the ingredients, you can ask, "What's in this dish?"
Perfect. Let's practice this. Mia, I'll be the customer and you be the waiter.
Okay.
Excuse me, what do you recommend?
Our chicken pasta is very popular. It's delicious.
What's in the chicken pasta?
It has chicken, pasta, cream, and mushrooms.
That sounds great. But wait, what if I don't like mushrooms?
Oh, good question. You can say, "Can I have it without mushrooms, please?"
Oh, wow. So I can change the dish.
Yes, at most restaurants, you can ask them to remove something or add something. You can say, "No mushrooms, please," or "Can I have extra cheese, please?"
This is so helpful. So, everyone, this is tip number 3. Don't be afraid to ask questions about the menu.
Yes, you can ask, "What do you recommend?" Or "What's this?" Or "What's in this dish?"
And you can ask to change things. No mushrooms, please. Or can I have it without onions?
Perfect. Okay, now let's practice the full ordering process. Alex, you be the customer again, and I'll be the waiter.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like the chicken pasta.
Excellent choice. And how would you like your salad?
Oh, I'd like it with the dressing on the side, please.
Perfect. And anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Great. So everyone, did you hear those phrases? I'd like the chicken pasta. That's all. Very simple.
Yes, and notice the waiter asked, "Are you ready to order?" This is a very common question.
Right. And if you need more time, you can say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Oh, that's important. Sometimes we need time to look at the menu.
Exactly. So tip number 4 is about ordering your food. When you're ready, the waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?"
And you can say, "Yes, please. I'd like the," and then say the food.
Or if you need more time, say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?"
Perfect. Now, Mia, what about special requests, like if someone is vegetarian or has allergies?
Oh, this is very important. If you're vegetarian, you can ask, "Do you have vegetarian options?"
And what about allergies, like if you can't eat nuts or milk?
You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts," or "I can't eat dairy."
And the waiter will help you choose something safe, right?
Yes, definitely. They might also suggest you some options that may suit you better.
Good point. Okay, everyone, let's practice. Repeat after me. Do you have vegetarian options?
Good. Now try, I'm allergic to nuts.
Excellent. Okay, so now we've ordered our food. What happens while we wait?
Well, usually the waiter brings your drinks first, then the food comes later.
Right. And when the food arrives, the waiter might say, "Here you are," or "Enjoy your meal."
Yes, and you can say, thank you. That's all you need.
Simple, then you enjoy your food. But what if there's a problem? Like, what if the food is wrong or cold?
Good question. You can politely say, excuse me, I ordered the pasta, but this is rice.
Or you can say, "Excuse me, this is cold. Can you heat it up, please?"
Always be polite. The waiter will fix the problem.
That's true. Most restaurants want you to be happy.
Absolutely. Okay, so tip number 5 is about during the meal. If you need something, you can say, excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Or, "Excuse me, can I have some napkins, please?"
Yes, and remember to always start with excuse me to get the waiter's attention.
Great tip.
Now, let's talk about the end of the meal. Alex, what happens when you finish eating?
Well, the waiter usually asks, "How was everything?" or "Did you enjoy your meal?"
Right, and you can say it was delicious or everything was great, thank you.
And if it wasn't good?
You can say it was okay, thank you. You don't need to complain if you don't want to.
Fair enough. Now, the important part. How do you ask for the bill? The bill is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
Good explanation. You can say, can I have the bill, please? Or, check, please.
In American English, people say check. In British English, people say bill.
Exactly. Both are correct. You can use either one.
Okay, let's practice the end of the meal. I'll be the customer, you be the waiter.
Okay.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. Here's my card.
Great. So, everyone, did you hear that question? Do you accept credit cards? This is useful.
Yes. And if you want to pay with cash, you can say, "I'll pay with cash."
Right. Or if you're with friends and want to pay separately, you can say, can we have separate bills, please?
Oh, that's useful. Sometimes friends like to pay for their own food.
Exactly. Okay, so tip number 6 is about paying. You can say, can I have the bill, please? Or check, please.
And you can ask, "Do you accept credit cards?" Or say, "I'll pay with cash."
Perfect. And if you're with friends, can we have separate bills, please?
Excellent. Now, Mia, what about tipping? In some countries, people leave extra money for the waiter.
Oh, yes. In the United States and Canada, tipping is very common, usually 15% to 20%.
And in other countries?
In some countries, like Japan, you don't tip. In Europe, it depends on the country. Some include service charge in the bill.
So what should people do?
If you're not sure, you can ask, is service included? Or you can look at your bill. Sometimes it says service charge or gratuity.
Good to know. Okay, everyone, let's practice everything we learned. Let me ask you some questions.
Great idea.
Everyone listening, how do you ask for a table for 2 people dining?
That's right. Table for 2, please.
And how do you ask what the waiter recommends?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. And when you're ready to order, what do you say?
I'd like the... and then the food name. I'd like the chicken pasta.
Excellent. And at the end, how do you ask for the bill?
Can I have the bill, please? Or check, please.
You're all doing great. Mia, I think our listeners are ready to go to a restaurant now.
I agree. Let's do one complete role play from start to finish. Alex, you'll be the customer, and I'll be everyone at the restaurant. Okay?
Perfect. Let's do it.
Welcome. How many people?
Table for one, please.
Right this way. Here's your menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Water, please.
Of course. I'll be right back. Here's your water. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. What do you expect?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
That sounds good. I'd like the grilled chicken, please. And can I have a salad, too?
Absolutely. How would you like your salad?
With the dressing on the side, please.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out. Here's your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. Here you go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Wow, that was perfect. See, everyone, it's not so difficult.
Not at all. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. So everyone, let's review the main points we learned today.
Yes. First, when you enter a restaurant, say, "Table for two, please." Or, "I have a reservation."
Second, when ordering drinks, say, "I'd like water, please." Or, "Can I have orange juice?"
Third, don't be afraid to ask questions. What do you recommend? What's in this dish?
Fourth, when ordering food, say, "I'd like the chicken pasta, please."
Fifth, if you need something during the meal, say, "Excuse me, can I have more water, please?"
And sixth, at the end, say, "Can I have the bill, please?" And ask, "Do you accept credit cards?"
Perfect summary. And everyone, remember the most important thing. Be polite, be patient with yourself, and don't worry about making mistakes.
That's right. Every restaurant visit is practice. The more you do it, the better you get.
Absolutely. And you know what? Most waiters are very kind and will help you.
So true. They want you to have a good experience.
Okay, everyone. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson about restaurant English.
Yes, now you can order food with confidence.
And remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself. Small steps every day.
That's right. Practice makes progress.
Okay, everyone. Now it's time for our comment question. We want to hear from you.
Please write a comment and tell us what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant. It can be anything.
Pizza, pasta, sushi, burgers, anything. Tell us in the comments.
We love reading your comments, right, Mia?
Absolutely. And it's great practice for you to write in English. Please don't forget to subscribe to Speak Along English podcast for easy English speaking. Give this video a like and share it with your friends.
Yes, please. It helps us so much, and it helps other English learners find us too.
Thank you all for joining us today. We really appreciate you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, mistakes are your friends.
See you in the next episode. Keep up the great work, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.